Welcome to the series where I analyze characters from movies, TV, and games to determine a possible psychological diagnosis. Today we are looking at the Terraria boss, the brain of Cthulhu. Rather than providing a diagnosis to the brain, I will be discussing whether the brain is intelligent or just a mindless monster driven by primal instincts. Firstly, we need to figure out how smart the brain of Cthulhu could be. We first need to estimate its size. The average Terraria player is roughly 5 feet tall, based on in-game measurements. Looking at the brain sprite, it appears to be around 3 times the player's height, which would make it roughly 15 feet wide, far larger than a human brain, which is only about 6 inches wide. Now, let's calculate the brain's neuron count. The human brain weighs around 1.4 kilograms and contains 86 billion neurons. If we assume it has a similar neural density, this thing could contain trillions of neurons, potentially surpassing the 200 billion neurons found in a whale's brain. Although the brain has an impressive size, intelligence depends on neural connections, processing efficiency, and problem-solving ability, not just the raw number of neurons. Even with all those neurons, the brain seems to be driven more by primal instinct than a sort of strategy. The brain of Cthulhu follows predictable attack patterns. This makes it function more like a predatory animal than a rational thinker. Given its basic attack patterns and lack of problem-solving, it's unlikely to have a human-level IQ. Instead, it might be as intelligent as a dolphin, octopus, or large predatory mammal, capable of strategy but not complex thought. Based on size alone, the brain of Cthulhu would likely outclass humans in raw neurons, but its behavior suggests it operates on instinct rather than advanced reasoning. It's likely closer to a giant, hyper-aggressive octopus. Since the boss is from a video game, its behavior must be programmed and has no sentience, so it is impossible to fully state whether a real brain of Cthulhu would be more intelligent or more like its in-game behavior.